In this turbocharged tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add labour on a job. Here we are inside a job here. It's called Danny Morrison. Here's our job number. We've got check-in and check-out features, which I'll get back to shortly. And if we just come down to labour and hit edit, I'm using the master login, so I've got access to everyone to add labour. Here we call this trade hours. We can put today and we can put 2 hours down. And that labour is added to that job there. The other way to add labour is you can check into the job, and also when you're finished the job you can check out. This also ties in with our staff location feature, which you can see the tutorial on the staff location. But to make staff out on the road, to make their life easier, if they just check in, when they're finished they check out. And here's one that I've created earlier. If we come down and look at the labour, so basically what happens, a timestamp gets created when at check-in and a timestamp gets created at checkout. So if we come to this labour, we can see that the supervisor has used the check-in and check-out feature because there's no work type added here. And the hours is done to the nearest 15 minutes. So here we can just put trade hours, save those changes, and that's all done. That's it for this turbocharged tutorial. Thanks for your time.